I hate whack chicken wings. My name is Ribs. This is Hater Cooks. I'm gonna teach you how to make chicken wings that don't suck. Let's go. All right, y'all, so here we go. The first thing we need to do is take our chicken wings, which I've got right here, already cut up into chunks. We're just gonna season it very simply with some salt and pepper. Nothing special. Simple, cheap salt. And a little bit of cheap black pepper as well. And I'm actually gonna put it in a mixing bowl so that I can mix it all very nicely with my hands. It's good to mix, you know, that way you get salt and pepper covering the chicken as much as possible. You want the majority of the surface area to have some sort of salt and pepper on it as well. All right, so we're ready to go here. We're just gonna put this on a baking sheet. And the logic is you bake the chicken first for about 20 minutes to get it nice and juicy and tender and most of the way cooked. Take it out, sauce it up, and then you bake it again at a much hotter temperature for about 10-15 minutes. And that way the sauce caramelizes, the wings get just completely cooked, and everything's just tender and ready to eat. All right, so now I've got my chicken wings on the baking dish, and I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius, depending on where you live. We're gonna do that for about 15 to 20 minutes. I would say 15 if the chicken wings are small. If they're on the bigger side, put them in for 20. And again, this is gonna cook them most of the way. That way, when we throw them in the oven again at a much hotter temperature, the only thing we're worrying about is caramelizing the sauce and finishing the wings, as opposed to cooking them all the way through. Let's do it. All right, Mr. Ribs, tell me, why are you so mad? Why are you being such a hater about chicken wings?
Doc, I can't help myself. Problem is, chicken wings are just terrible out there. They're chewy, they're tough, they get stuck in your teeth, and I just can't have that shit anymore, Doc. I don't know what to do. So I gotta tell people on YouTube how to make these at home so they don't waste their time with the bad chicken wings. Because they're gonna go crazy just like me.
All right, y'all, so this super simple sauce is very, very easy. First thing we're gonna need is some ketchup, you know what I'm saying? Squeeze a whole bunch of ketchup into your pan. And that's gonna be the base of this sauce, is you wanna get a lot of ketchup in there. It's gonna help sweeten things up, but it's also gonna thicken things up. Next thing I wanna use some hot sauce. Simple hot sauce is fine here. Frank's, whatever you got in your pantry is fine. I live in Brixton here in London, and I got all this Jamaican stuff that's banging, so that's what I'm gonna use. Okay, so next we wanna do is add some sugar. Not too much, but definitely some sugar to taste. Wanna sweeten it up a little bit more. And sugar is good because that actually caramelizes and helps the wings turn color in the oven. So we're gonna put that in there. Last thing I wanna do is add some kimchi juice. You probably don't have this in your crib, and that's fine. The point here is that I've got a little something special in the fridge that has some funk. So I'm gonna throw this in here. It's gonna spice up my sauce just a little bit. So you're gonna let this sauce cook for about 20 minutes or so. Basically, during the time that you're making the wings, you let this thing go. As you do with most sauces, you know, you bring it up to a boil, let it get real aggressive, and then you turn it down just a bit so it simmers. The point here is to make something that's thick and glossy that you can then put on the wings, and then of course to caramelize in the oven. So you've all had barbecue sauce. You wanna get it to like that consistency. So go ahead, turn it up, whisk it up, make it nice and unified, and then there you go. Just let it do its thing until it's ready. All right, listen up. If you don't want to make the sauce, whatever, don't make it. But go ahead and find the best jarred sauce you can get, because you want to make sure these wings taste good. Remember, it's got to be sweet, sticky, and delicious. As long as it tastes good, I don't give a just do it. Yo, so my sauce is looking banging right now. I'm gonna taste it and make sure it's all good. Yo, that's dope. And it's spicy too, just like I like it. Let's do it. So if you look at these chicken wings, they're not pretty right now. They don't look appetizing. They're looking kind of pale and, you know, just very strange. But that's exactly what we want. That means they've been cooking inside, they've been steaming inside of their own flesh, and they should be getting very, very tender. So we're gonna sauce them up, toss them around, put them back on this parchment paper, throw them back in the oven, but the oven's gonna be hotter at about 425 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius. These are looking sexy. Check those out. Damn, these wings look good, man. I can't wait to eat one of these. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna eat one right now. Ooh, it's hot. Oh yeah, that is good shit, man. So good. YouTube, I wasn't messing with you. What did I tell you? I said these wings were gonna be good. Look at these bad boys. Oh my God, these are some good looking wings. We're not done yet though. Before serving, we're gonna finish them. So take a little bit of leftover sauce that I got right here, and I'm just gonna drizzle that on there. Oh yeah. Yep, I know you're being like, damn, that looks good. Yeah, damn right, it looks good. It tastes good too. And the final touch, a little bit of cilantro, because I love cilantro. I don't know about y'all, but this is one of my favorite things to put on top of anything. If you're one of those people who can't handle cilantro, no, God bless your soul, but you can just do some scallions instead. Just chop them up real fine. That way you don't get a massive bite of scallion in your plate. All right, y'all, these are the wings right here. And you know I'm gonna go eat this. This isn't like the Food Network where the personality doesn't eat anything. I'm gonna eat these wings right after this video's done. Matter of fact, I'm gonna eat these wings now while this video's still going. Ooh, I just woke from a great nap, man. I ate all those chicken wings earlier and got the meanest itis and just passed out. Let me know what you think about those chicken wings. They look good, right? Tell me in the comments. I want to hear what you think. If you like this video and you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. I plan on releasing a new video like this every single week with a new recipe. So I'm going to go back to sleep now. Peace.